Apparo Tutorials. Opening pop-up edit windows. In this video we will show you how to call data editing masks and list views in an extra window. One possibility is the extension Apparo table. We click on Edit and go to the Custom Objects. Then drag the Apparo table extension into the Qlik sheet. We will add 4 dimensions: product ID, product line name, product name, and one that will serve as link column. For the 4th dimension, we have to copy the expression first. Go to the Apparo Designer, and open the edit view of the single business case. Then go to Tab, linking to Qlik Sense app, and copy the expression from, using the Apparo table extension. Then go back to Qlik Sense, and add the 4th dimension. Instead of selecting a column, use the FX button to open the expression editor. Paste the copied expression, and replace the placeholder with the primary key column product ID. If a primary key parameter is used, the called business case is automatically filtered by this primary key. Next we add link to details as label. And go to Appearance. Under Apparo Link, we select the entry, Link to Details. Optionally we can change the link text, we name it, Open Details. As business case ID we enter, My First Single BC. The client ID is optional, and presentation lets us switch between a new window, or a new browser tab. New window also allows us to choose the size and position of the window. We reduce the size a little, because our detail window does not need so much space. We leave the default values for the position, and click Close to test our links. When clicking the link, the single business case with the corresponding dataset is called, and we can start editing the data there. The advantage of the Apparo table is that you can call up masks in extra windows, while you can only call up new tabs with the standard Qlik Sense table. We switch again to the edit mode, and create a Qlik Sense table with the same dimensions. This time we will link to the table business case, showing all entries with the same product line. For the 4th dimension we will need again the expression string. In the Apparo Designer, we open the edit view of the table business case. As you may remember, we have created here a report variable for the product line, which is used here as default value for the product line filter widget. From linking to Qlik Sense app, we copy the expression string under, using standard Qlik Sense table. Then we go back to Qlik Sense, and paste the copied string to the expression editor. Here we delete the part with the primary key, that would otherwise be used as a filter. Then we replace the placeholder with the product line name. We enter as column label, show product line, and scroll down to the representation setting. We change the setting to URL, and enter as label, open details. Then we close the edit mode, and test the link. The product line is T-shirts. The list view is showing all entries of the product line T-shirts, which can be edited now. Our last example is the Apparo button, which can be used to call business cases in an extra window, or in a new tab. We open our very first sheet, and switch to the edit mode. Under Custom Objects we drag the extension, Apparo button BC. The corresponding settings can be found under Apparo button. We change the button label, to Open Edit View. And enter then, my first table BC, as business case ID. Client ID, and primary keys and report variables, are optional here. We could, for example, use the product line selection as filter again. Or pass prompt values, or Qlik Sense variables for further processing, but for now, we leave it empty. Empty means, the called business case is showing all data entries unfiltered. Questions? Send an email to support@apparo.solutions.